Hello and welcome back, folks. This is my G-Shock GWX-5600C. It's one of my favourite G-Shocks and it has a fantastic backlight. It also has some hidden functions and features that you won't find in the manual, and today we're going to take a look at these. The reason you won't find these features in the manual is that they're used by the factory to test the watches before they're shipped out. But by knowing these features, you can use them to diagnose your watch or even to legit check it. I'm showing it on my GWX-5600C, but it should also work on non-MIP G-Shocks. To make the tests easy to follow, I'm going to label the buttons A, B, C and D. So let's go. To test these features, you need to start from the home time screen. The first test is to test the tough solar functions. What you need to do is to press the buttons A, B and D simultaneously. When you're successful, the letters SLR will be displayed on the screen. To test that your watch is charging, cover the panels to block out the light, then uncover. If your watch is charging, the digits 8888 will also be displayed. Then press any key to return to the home screen. Next we'll carry out an LCD test. You can use this test to ensure that your display is working correctly and also to check what module your watch is using. To carry out the test, press the buttons A, C and D simultaneously. If the test is successful, your screen will change to resemble this. Then press the D button to scroll through the various LCD test displays. One of them will show you the module number of your watch, and you can use this to check for your watch's authenticity. Then keep pressing button D and you will eventually arrive back to the home screen. The third test which we will go through is for the tilt function. If your watch is fitted with a tilt sensor, use this to check if it's working correctly. To do so, press buttons A, B and C simultaneously. The letters TLT with the numbers 8888 will be displayed. The numbers should disappear when the watch is laid flat and will reappear again when the watch is vertical again. Press the D button to make the watch go back to home time. The last function which we have is the auto illumination function. This one is in the manual, but a surprising number of people don't know about it, so I thought I'd include it here. What it does is to turn on the backlight automatically when the watch is tilted more than 40 degrees and the photosensors detects that there is not enough light. To turn it on, hold down the light button for more than 3 seconds. When it's on, a little star icon will appear on the screen. The auto light function will automatically disable itself after 6 hours, or you can manually turn it off by pressing the light button for more than 3 seconds. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope that you enjoyed these hidden features. If you want to see a full review of the GWX-5600C, you can click this thumbnail, and I'll catch you next time.